You need to do environment variable setup for Maven. So to do that, first thing you need to do is you need to go to the edit environment. So you need to type env or edit. So you see when you type env, I see edit the system environment. So I click here. Okay, so over here, first thing I need to do is come here, environment variables, and then over here I need to create Maven home. So as you can see, I already have one, so I don't need to create one. But for your case or anyone who does not have Maven home yet, they need to create, click on new. So then you type, like I type Maven underscore home, and then you give this address. This address means basically, as you saw that we moved, so let me go there. So basically wherever your Maven reside. So in my case it is in program file. So let me go there to prove it. So it is in, what is this PC? Yeah. So this PC, C drive, program files. So as you can see, Apache Maven. So same way you copy this address. See that 386. So I copied you can copy this address, and I'm copying this. So even in my case I don't need to, but so you put this address here, and on top you put Maven home, this exactly this language. So in my case I don't have to, so I'm canceling this. So when you push OK, and so you can go, so your Maven home is set up, and then to make sure that it is set up, oh, one more thing you need to do. Sorry. So you type again Maven environment, what is it, nvn, oh no, yeah, nvn, so what is that, so edit, yeah, so this is the one. So after that you need to change the path too. So you remember we did this Maven home, and then we need to give the path. So in the path, when you click the path and put edit, and then you create a new here. So I already have the C program Apache Maven path. So basically you are giving computer direction that where is your Maven, how to get there. So you in your case you have to put a new, even I don't have to because I already have this. So you put this address basically, where we went, your Maven home program file, and then there is a bin folder. So you have to copy that address. Inside the Apache Maven there is a bin folder. You can copy this and then paste it here. So in my case I'm canceling this, but you need to put. So after that, when you've done with that, and you go to your command prompt, and if you ask computer where is your Maven, so basically you're asking nvn version. So basically you're asking computer if I have Maven installed, and if it is, what version it is. So computer is telling you that you have Apache Maven 3.86 version, and also it give me address where it is located. So Maven home is program file Apache Maven. So now your Maven is installed. So and then so yeah, so this is, and then when next time going back when you're done, so when you so now when you want to start a Maven project, you can go new here. Normally remember this is Eclipse. Eclipse is called IDE. I believe I started this. IDE is kind of like container where you write your code. So there are several different kind of IDE. There is one, the Eclipse is one of the most famous for Java, and then another one called IntelliJ, and there are some more. So we are using Eclipse, and later on we're going to use Eclipse as well, but that doesn't matter. IDE so far doesn't matter. But so let's use Eclipse as we are working. So new, you go new, and if you want to do a Java project, but if you want to do a Maven project, so you go here, simple project. If you want to do a Java project, you choose Java project, but if you want to do Maven, then you project, and then it will give you option C Maven. Under Maven, you have Maven project. So if you click here, and you can go through and you can start a Maven project. There's another way to convert your Java project to Maven project. So basically how that is, you okay, that is, I think, yeah, you right click on your project and go to configure, and you come here. Actually this project already Maven project, so that is not giving me an option. So if I have, let's see, I'm trying this. Okay, so I'm starting a Java project. So I just put a Java test. Okay, so this is simple Java project, and I'm finishing it. So see Java test. Now I'm right clicking it. I put right click, and I'm coming here configure, and see, you can see that it giving me option. Okay, so right click, and then I'm coming here configure, and it giving me convert to Maven project. So basically that means I started this project a Java project, and I can convert it to Maven project. So I'm converting the Maven project, and then it giving me some option to name, and then if I finish it, now it is Maven project. So now you may ask, what is Maven project? Of course, this is a huge question, and maybe it is a huge. So basically, Maven is some kind of framework. It's very helpful to see there. As soon as we create a Maven folder, this file is created called pom.xml. So this is, it kind of connects, and it's a framework. I think for new beginner, you don't want to make yourself confused or tired of trying to understand this too much. So basically, in high level, try to understand that Maven is a framework structure. It helps connecting or working with different projects. We'll discuss later. So basically, we learn now with that how to install Maven, and how to create or start a Maven project, or you already started a Java project, how you want to convert this Java project to Maven project. Let's see. So that's so far for now, and then yeah, I think that's so far now. And then of course I think again about this, as I just mentioned about this this file, the PMO XML file. This is one thing I just want to get high level right now. There is something called this is, so this you dependencies. So basically you can write a code over here, and then for the like connecting to, like, just say if you want to use JUnit for unit test, or if you want to use testng, or anything so far, if you want to any project you want to use, any tools you want to use, you can write a code here and you can connect there. So I'll discuss later about it. So one thing you need to understand is that for Maven project, this is the heart and brain of Maven project, and this has everything. So far, if you can understand, or you can Google a little bit that what is POM file, POM, project object module. So basically .xml, if you just high level understand that the POM, you need to use POM file for Maven project. So that's it for now. See you next time.